Hi, this is Ahmed. In this lesson, we are going to look at laws of exponential part 1. The first law, which is rule number 1, is called the product rule. Now, the product rule shows that when you have a base, which is a raised to the power a certain variable or a number, multiplied by the same base, which is a raised to the power y, then this gives us a raised to the power x plus y. So what we do here is to pick one of the b's since they are the same, and then you find the sum of their powers. Let's look at some cases. So case number 1, we have 3 raised to the power 2 times 3 raised to the power 4. Let's dive into the solution. In this case, what we are going to do is to pick the powers of the bases, which is 2 and 4. Then we find the sum. So since the bases are the same, 3 and 3, so what we do is to write one of the base and find the sum of their powers. This gives us 3 raised to the power 6, and the final answer is 729. Case 2, we have 2y raised to the power 3 times 5y raised to the power 2. Let's look at how to work this out. In this case, the 2 and then the 5 are referred to as coefficients. So what we will do is to find the product of this coefficients, and that gives us 2 times 5 y raised to the power 3 plus 4. Since we have the same basis, which is y and y, we only add the powers. We only write one of the y and add the powers, and this gives us 10y raised to the power 5. Case 3, m raised to the power 4 n raised to the power 3 times m raised to the power 2 n raised to the power 6. Let's look at how we can work this out. In this case, we are going to take the powers of the base m. So we have m here and we have m here. We are only going to pick their powers. We are going to pick the powers and add them, and we pick the powers of the base n and add them, and this will give us m raised to the power 4 plus 2 times n raised to the power 3 plus 6. We have m raised to the power 6 times n raised to the power 9, and m raised to the power 6 n raised to the power 9 becomes our final answer. Case 4, and this would probably be our final case. After this case, I'll provide some problems for you to try your hands on, and once you work them out, please try to send your answers in the comment section. I'll check on them. Alright, so case 4, you have 3 m raised to the power 4 n raised to the power 3 times 4 m raised to the power 2 n raised to the power 6. Solution. In this case, just pick the coefficients as usual and find the product. Then we take our bases, the powers of our bases that are the same. So here we have m and m. We take the powers, which is 4 and 2. Then we take the powers of the next base, which is n and n, and we have 3 and 6 as the powers of the n, the 2n. We find the sum. Then we have m raised to the power 4 plus 2 times n raised to the power 3 plus 6. We get, after finding the product of 3 and 4, which is 12, we find the product of 3 and 4, which is 12, and then we have m raised to the power 6 times n raised to the power 9. This finally gives us 12 m raised to the power 6 n raised to the power 9. This is the problem. Let's look at these problems. And these problems I would like you to try your hands on and send me your answers in the comment section. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share.